Hi, it's Janine with the EI Product Development Team and former first and third grade teacher. If you're like me, you probably have a lot of rice hanging around the house now these days, so I wanted to show you how a bag of rice and some toys around the house can really help this next activity. So what you'll need is some rice and a few of your child's toys to hide in it. Let's get started. So I've color-coded all of these items, all of the greens, the reds, the yellows, and orange and blue, and next what I'm going to do is hide it in the bag. Now, if you don't have two of everything, you could always just take a picture of this as your picture guide, and when you hide it in your bag, your toddler or preschooler can then search those items and match it with the correct color. This is called your I Spy sensory bag.